Is it puzzles?
Yeah.
What else is in there?
What is this?
Puzzles.
Still more puzzles? Ooh, what is this? What is this?
What is it?
It's a light thing. It's a light thing. It's a light thing. What's in the other bag for me?
What's that?
Ooh, there's stickers.
Yay, stickers. Valentine's Day stickers.
Yeah, because they got Valentine's pictures on them. Ooh, a Dora book. It's a Dora Valentine's book. And what are these? Hard chocolates.
It's a big piece of chocolate.
It's hard chocolates.
Yup.
That's all my stuff in the monkey bag.
You got a puppy bag too.
Hold on, back in the bag for you. Open your other bag.
I don't want to put the big one. Ooh, what's this? It's heavy.
I'll hold the bag. Lift.
That's another school book we can do with you. We could play school.
Yeah. What is this?
It's just paper to color on.
Your own paper.
There's none black lines.
No, you're going to draw on it. This is your own paper to draw and paint on.
Ooh.
What is that? What is it?
It's a cup. Does it light up?
Nope.
Is there... It's a cup.
What's that?
Huh? What is it?
It's a chocolate monkey.
And here's a car.
What car?
No, one full of candy. How do I open it?
We're not going to open it yet. Remember, we got to eat breakfast.
How do we open this car?
We'll figure it out after breakfast.
What are these?
Those are little games you play.
What? What is this?
I don't know. I can't see it. What is it?
It's a fan. It's a Hello Kitty fan. Ooh, more safety scissors. Ooh, more candy.
Wow.
There's some more candy inside the Hello Kitty fan.
Uh-huh, there's lots of candy. You like all the stuff?
Zoe, did you say thank you to Mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Give her a big
And
hug.
there's some from Grandma and Papa in there too.
It's a Valentine's. Give her a big hug for Valentine's Day.